Today, we're going to explore the incredible health benefits of moringa, a nutrient-dense superfood that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, has been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits. Originating from the foothills of the Himalayas in India, moringa is now grown in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Leaves of moringa tree are packed with vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants, making them one of the most nutritious greens on the planet. From boosting energy and sex drive to supporting heart health and digestion, moringa offers a wide range of benefits that can improve overall well-being. In this video, we'll delve into the science behind moringa's health benefits, discuss potential side effects, and provide tips on how to incorporate moringa into your daily routine. Moringa leaves are rich in macro and micronutrients, including calcium, iron, B vitamins, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C. These essential nutrients are crucial for maintaining healthy bodily functions and preventing diseases. Moringa contains 92 essential nutrients, including vitamin C and E, potassium, magnesium, and manganese. This unique combination of nutrients makes moringa an exceptional source of protein and supports overall health and well-being. The high concentration of vitamins E and C in moringa helps combat neural degeneration and improves brain function, supporting cognitive health and memory. Moringa is also a rich source of antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This can lead to a lower risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a range of health issues. Moringa contains phytonutrients, antioxidants, and antibacterial compounds that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Two key compounds in moringa, quercetin and isothiocyanates, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Quercetin is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, while isothiocyanates aid in detoxification and have anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have demonstrated that moringa may help alleviate low-grade inflammation associated with chronic diseases, such as arthritis, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties can also help reduce symptoms of conditions like migraines and headaches by stabilizing neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and noradrenaline. Stress can negatively impact sexual function and libido. Moringa may help boost testosterone and reduce cortisol levels, supporting libido and overall sexual health. Animal studies have shown that moringa may increase testosterone levels and reduce cortisol levels, leading to improved sexual function and libido. Moringa is also rich in iron and B vitamins, which are essential for energy production. The iron content in moringa helps carry oxygen from the blood to the scalp, supporting healthy hair growth. Moringa's antioxidant properties can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which can lead to improved overall health and well-being. Moringa has been shown to have anti-hypertensive properties, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. The chlorogenic acid in moringa can regulate blood sugar levels by controlling the cell's uptake or release of glucose following a meal. This can help manage blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Moringa's antioxidant properties can also help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the cardiovascular system, which can lead to a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Moringa may help regulate mitochondria, the energy-producing structures within cells, which can lead to improved energy production and reduced fatigue. Moringa contains soluble and insoluble fibers that can help regulate digestion and reduce constipation. The high concentration of antioxidants in moringa can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the digestive system, which can lead to improved gut health and reduced risk of colon cancer. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties can also help reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, by stabilizing the gut microbiome. Moringa may help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, which can lead to improved overall health and well-being. To incorporate moringa into your diet, you can add moringa powder to smoothies, salads, or use it as a spice in cooking. In conclusion, moringa offers a wide range of health benefits that can improve overall well-being. From boosting energy and sex drive to supporting heart health and digestion, moringa is a nutrient-dense superfood that can be incorporated into your daily routine. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before using moringa supplements, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health-related content.